October 6, 2013. Well, the comet Ison is bearing down on our planet, and we're wondering what the effects of that will be. Well, supposedly, FEMA 3 or FEMA Region 3 is the one gearing up for the effects of the comet Ison. I, for one, think that FEMA's got it wrong yet again. Or, in this case, I think the government has the wrong region preparing for Ison. I'm wondering if Ison isn't affecting the Midwest. Because, as usual, the Midwest is falling apart. Let's take Wyoming for instance. Or actually, forget Wyoming. Let's start over here with, well, let's just start over, let's start with the Midwest in general. We've got wicked weather in the Midwest. Take Friday, for example. Tornadoes shocked people of Wayne, Nebraska. Buildings were destroyed. People trapped in homes. Cars rolled over. A supply company leaking gas. Hazmat was on scene. The American Red Cross is sending teams to the scene. 15 people were injured by the storm. People were taken to the Providence Medical Center in Wayne. Fortunately, no deaths were reported. Farther west in Rapid City, South Dakota, and in eastern Wyoming, a winter storm caused locals to take cover. Half of the 60,000 residents of Rapid City were without power as of Friday evening. In Wyoming, road closures dominated travel. Major storms were on its way to South Dakota. Yesterday alone, they had 18 tornadoes. That's 18 people. They had an EF4 tornado land outside Wayne, Nebraska. That's right. 20 homes were completely destroyed. 40 to 60 farms were damaged. And a airport hangar was pummeled. In South Dakota, they got 3.5 feet of snow. Yes, 3.5 feet of snow. Rapid City, in a 24-hour period, got 3.5 feet of snow. They have snowdrifts out there in the Black Hills that are approximately 15 feet high. That's unbelievable. The standard, and they've got 4 feet of snow on the ground. That's chest high. 4 feet of snow. That's unbelievable. And that's in a 24-hour period, people. It's unbelievable to me. 80 people were trapped in their cars overnight. They couldn't get out of their cars. 9,000 people were without power. It's mind-boggling that much snow could fall in a 24-hour period. They were in white-out conditions. The snow was falling that fast. So, yeah. I, for one, think that the comet Ison is probably, I don't know if Ison is responsible, but yeah, it could be having an impact. Something's having an impact on our weather. This Midwestern storm that just pummeled the heck out of the Midwest, the snow that fell on South Dakota broke records. The snow that just fell broke records from the 1890s. No, since records started being kept in the 1890s, they have never seen this heavy of snow in a 24-hour period. Let's go clear back to the 1890s. We just broke all the records. So yeah, I don't know whether the comet Ison is the one that's causing these problems. If that's the case, then as usual, FEMA's got it wrong. They're sending all the emergency supplies over here to FEMA Region 3. They're training troops and everything over here in FEMA Region 3. They're concentrating everything over here in FEMA Region 3. And most likely, the area that is falling apart is over here in the Midwest. So, which doesn't surprise me at all. When has our government ever gotten it right? We're probably concentrating all of our frickin' efforts and all of our emergency efforts over here in FEMA Region 3, and everything's going to fall apart over here in the Midwest. So, people are screwed in the Midwest, all the emergency supplies are in FEMA Region 3, and this is definitely a governmental agency. Does anybody else see a problem with this? And of course, as usual, we are still in a governmental shutdown, and NASA is still on furlough. So even if the comet Ison had changed trajectory and was causing problems in the Midwest, we sure as hell wouldn't know about it because NASA's on furlough. So the last trajectory it was on, the government would assume it was going to affect FEMA Region 3, so FEMA's still over here in Region 3. So it could have changed course, and now it's affecting the Midwest. Hell if we know about it, because NASA's still on furlough. So yeah, all I can say is there's nothing going on in FEMA Region 3. What's the only state of emergency in this country right now, and the governors are declaring it right and left, is over here in the Midwest. So all I can say is, people in the Midwest, you better buckle down, as I know you already are doing. Bring in the emergency supplies, because things are going to crap in the Midwest. As far as FEMA Region 3 goes, you people are still fine. I don't see anything happening in your region anytime soon. All right, thank you, and have a good day.